In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Affirm not working on Amazon. If you're trying to check out with Affirm on Amazon and the payment gets declined, don't worry. There are a few clean, reliable ways to get back on track. We'll start by retrying the payment on the exact order that failed. Open Amazon, head to your orders, find the affected order, and look for the option labeled Retry Payment Method. Select it and follow the prompts to attempt the charge again. Give it a moment between attempts so you don't trigger duplicate holds, and make sure your connection is stable while the retry processes. A simple retry often works if the first attempt failed due to a temporary hiccup. If that doesn't work, switch to a different payment method to secure the order while you sort things out. Go back to your orders, select Change Payment Method next to the same order, and then choose another saved method or add a new card. When you're ready, select Confirm to apply the change. This is helpful when the issue is isolated to one payment type or there's an eligibility conflict. Using a different method can prevent delays, especially if you need the item quickly. If you still see declines or you're confident everything on your end looks correct, it's time to contact your bank. Only your bank can tell you why a payment was declined, even if the account shows money available. This is especially important if you know you have funds, you've successfully used this payment method before, or part of your order was already charged and dispatched. Ask your bank whether there is a security hold, a spending limit, or a verification requirement blocking the transaction, and request that they allow the charge to go through. Banks can place temporary blocks for fraud protection, travel patterns, or unusual purchase amounts, and clearing that up usually resolves repeat declines. Keep an eye on your order status throughout this process. If the payment continues to fail, Amazon will cancel the order and you'll need to place a new one once the issue is resolved. When you're ready to try again, return to the product page and check out as usual. Placing a fresh order after your bank gives the green light helps ensure the payment processes smoothly. That's it. Start by retrying the payment from your orders, switch payment methods if needed, and contact your bank when things look right but still fail. With those steps, you should be able to fix Affirm not working on Amazon and complete your purchase with confidence.